So we've got a purely hypothetical scenario here. I've got 5 students arriving at class at the following times. 11:40, 11:39, 11:45, 11:38 and 11:40. Okay. Students are required to walk 100 metres from their lunchtime destinations to the SO1. Given that the bell rings at 11:37, what was the average time? So my first step here is what?
Average.
Well, before I think about average, what do I need to do? Callum? Add them all up. Add what up? So 11:40 plus 11:39 plus...
How long did it take them to get there?
Noah?
The difference.
Yep, so what should my distance for student 1 be?
3,
3, 2,
8,
8,
3, 1.
1.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be...
Oh no.
That would be...
That's 1 done.
that would be 1, that's 3. Sorry, now I see. Okay. So that's how long it took each of these students to get to the location. The average. How do I calculate average again?
Add them all together, divide it by the total number.
Average equals 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 5, which equals...
Oh, I have the...
Surely we did it. 3.4 minutes. Now, if I was asking you to potentially do an analysis on how long it took the average student to get to class, I'm hoping that some people in the room would have identified with B. What have we got? What have I asked in B? I've asked us to identify some outliers in B.
Yeah.
Is there an outlier in this data?
Yes.
Which one? Okay, so student 3.
Yeah.
I'd also need to explain how I know that. So how do I know that student 3 is an outlier?
Their value is 5 above the second highest.
Yep, their value is 5 above the second highest. Now that may not be enough of an indicator normally.
More than twice than the second highest.
Yeah, so well, 5 minutes is quite a long time when everyone else is getting in within
3 and 2.
3 minutes. Now you guys haven't dealt with standard deviations before, I'm assuming. Okay, in mathematics. But what you're trying to say is that student 3 is a long way away from all the other data points. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If we were dealing with sections of thousands of minutes, would being 5 minutes off be an outlier?
No.
But because we're dealing with an average of about 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes is a long time.